Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today I am looking forward to sharing with you about a very nice adjustable laptop stand. Connected with the company who sent this to me to review, try out, and feedback and for me to share with you. So if you are in the market for an adjustable laptop stand, I think you're going to really like this one. I will put a link in the description where you could learn more about it. You can ask questions and of course order it. Appreciate you clicking on the link. If you are interested in getting information, possibly ordering it, also a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Appreciate the thumbs up and looking forward to new subscribers as I share a lot of great new products this year. So this is very nice. This is a laptop stand that also you can really use for if you've got a tablet. I've got a mini. I'll show you that as well, demonstrate that to you. This works with laptop stands from 11 to 17. That is the recommended size laptops. What I like about it as well is it does have a vented space. So some laptops have ventilation and they need that ventilation on the bottom, and some that they don't. It is made of an aluminum material, feels well made, interesting design, and you can adjust it two ways. I'll demonstrate that to you. You have rubberized pieces on the base, so it keeps your laptop or device from slipping. Also on the supportive hooks where your laptop and device would sit against, these are rubberized right here as well. And then on the base, you have 4 rubber pieces, again, from slipping and scratching the surface. So this is the box, obviously, it comes in, and there you go. Ergonomic design, care is never absent, focus on quality, more durable, more stable. So let me show you a couple things, how you can adjust it. So one, you can adjust it on an angle like this. So if you want to put your laptop, you like to have, normally if you put your laptop down and it sits flat, that can work. But what's nice is, and I do like where you can put it on here and then you can open up the laptop. It stays really well, very sturdy. And then depending upon the angle that you like it at, you could then use that as a way to work with your laptop. Now, the other way you can use it, and as you can see here, I put the laptop, my work laptop, with my docking station at work and the 2 other monitors, and it's higher up. So you can go that route as well. Now, the way you would adjust that is this bottom piece comes up. So now you can make it higher, and then you could adjust this so it's sitting really high. And then actually, you can have it going like this. And you can even have it go higher as well. So, which is really nice. Now, as I mentioned, well, I've got this at the setting here. Depending upon your tablet, I've got the mini, so it's not going to sit well, and I got something back here. But you can put a tablet, and if you got a bigger one, that would sit there as well, actually, just to show you. So you could sit it this way. Now, if you were to do it a vertical, I guess it could possibly hold there, but actually it could. So you can see that could sit there as well. Now, one other way to think about it too is if you might not use it at the office, but you might want to just use this while you're sitting in the living room watching TV. You can use this and just put it right on your lap. And then this way it uses almost like a cooling pad, so it just sits right there on your lap, and then you could just use it that way. So very nice piece, really nice. It's affordable, well made, and you could take it on the go with you. So let me know if you have any questions. Check it out today. Let me know what you think, please. I love any comments you have. Please leave those comments below, and really appreciate the company sending me this to review. Their logo, by the way, is there at the bottom. So real nice, and again, size laptops 11 to 17, also tablets, and very useful product. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.